Question number 14. Find the two positive numbers x and y such that x plus y is equal to 60 and xy cube is maximum. Given x plus y is equal to 60 and y is equal to 60 minus x. X is shifting right side, that will be negative x. 60 minus x. Let p is equal to x y cube and value of y is equal to 60 minus x. We put y equal to 60 minus x in this equation. It's equation number first. P is equal to x into 60 minus x raised to power 3. It's equation number first. And differentiating first with respect to x. Differentiating first equation with respect to x. We get dp upon dx is equal to, using by product rule, by parts, first function as it is d dx of 60 minus x raised to power 3 plus second function as it is 60 minus x raised to power 3 as it is into d dx of x. dp upon dx is equal to first function x as it is and derivative of 60 minus x raised to power 3. First of all, power 3 into 60 minus x raised to power 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 into d dx of minus x. d dx of 60 is 0 and d dx of minus x is equal to minus 1 and plus 60 minus x raised to power 3 and derivative of x is equal to 1. dp upon dx is equal to minus 3x, 3 into x 3x and minus 1, that will be minus 3x and 60 minus x raised to power 2 plus 60 minus x raised to power 3. 60 minus x raised to power 3, 60 minus x raised to power 2. We are taking common 60 minus x raised to power 2. This implies dp upon dx is equal to 60 minus x raised to power 2. We are taking common. 60 minus x raised to power 2 and in bracket minus 3x plus 1 power of 60 minus x. In bracket minus 3x plus 60 minus x, 1 power in bracket 60 minus x. dp upon dx is equal to 60 minus x raised to power 2 into minus 4x plus 60 minus 3x minus 1, that is 1x, that is equal to minus 4x plus 60. Put dp upon dx is equal to 0, then 60 minus x raised to power 2 minus 4x plus 60 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 60, 60 and x is equal to minus 4x is equal to minus 60 minus minus is cancelled and we get the value of x is equal to 60 divided by 4, that is equal to 15. This implies we get the value of x is equal to 15, and this is rejected x is equal to 60. When we put x equal to 16 here, then y will be 0, and we are taking x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 and double derivative d square p upon dx square is equal to 60 minus x raised to power 2 as it is, first function as it is, and derivative of second function, that is equal to minus 4. 60 derivative of constant is 0, and derivative of minus 4x, that will be minus 4 plus minus 4x plus 60, second function as it is, and derivative of first, that is equal to 2 into 60 minus x raised to power 1. In power, 2 into 60 minus x raised to power 2 minus 1, that is 1, and ddx of 60 minus x, derivative of 60 is 0, and derivative of minus x, that is equal to minus 1, and d square p upon dx square is equal to 60 minus 4 into 60 minus x raised to power 2, and that will be minus 4x plus 60 into 2 60 minus x, and x is equal to 15. D square p upon dx square is equal to, x is equal to 15, we get minus 4 into 60 minus 15 raised to power 2 minus 2, 15 multiplied by 4, that is equal to minus 60, and that will be 0, and this multiplied by 0 into 60 minus 15, that will be 0, and we get d square p upon dx square is equal to minus 4 into 45 raised to power 2, and that will be negative. D square p upon dx square is equal to negative. It gives a point of maxima, and point of maxima we get x is equal to 15. We put x is equal to 15 in here, we get the value of y is equal to 60 minus 15, y is equal to 45. So required number is equal to 15, 45. Answer. We have given x plus y is equal to 60, and shifting x in right side we get y is equal to 60 minus x, and product x into y cube. Let p is equal to x into y cube, and y is equal to 60 minus x. Put in this equation, we get p is equal to x into 60 minus x raised to power 3. It's equation number first. And differentiating equation first with respect to x, we get dp upon dx is equal to, by parts, first function as it is, its first function and its second function. First function as it is, derivative of second function plus second function as it is, derivative of first function. dp upon dx equal to first function as it is and derivative of 60 minus x raised to power 3 in power differentiation, that is 3 into 60 minus x raised to power 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2 into ddx of 60 minus x. Derivative of 60 is 0 and differentiation of minus x is equal to minus 1 plus second function as it is 60 minus x raised to power 3 as it is and derivative of x, that is equal to 1. dp upon dx we get minus 3x into 60 minus x raised to power 2 minus is minus 3 into x, that is minus 3x plus x into 60 minus x raised to power 3. And we are taking common 60 minus x square, 60 minus x square, and in bracket dp upon dx equal to 60 minus x raised to power 2, taking common in bracket minus 3x plus 1 power of 60 minus x, that is 60 minus x, minus 3x minus 1x, that is equal to minus 4x plus 60 and 60 minus x square. dp upon dx, put dp upon dx equal to 0 and we get the point. We find the value of x. 60 minus x square is 0, x equal to 60, 60. When we put x equal to 60 in this, then y will be 0. Then this is rejected and we get the value of minus 4x equal to minus 60 and x equal to 60 upon 4. Value of x we get 15 and its value of x, and double derivative dp upon dx square to find the value of maximum or minimum. Double derivative 60 minus x square as it is, its first function, and its second function. First function as it is, derivative of second is equal to minus 4 and 60 will be 0 plus minus 4x plus 60 as it is, and derivative of 60 minus x square in power 2 into 60 minus x derivative, and ddx of 60 minus x, that is equal to minus 1. Derivative of 60 is 0 and derivative of minus x equal to minus 1. And next step, d square p upon dx square equal to minus 4 into 60 minus x square minus 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2 into minus 4x plus 60 as it is, 60 minus x as it is, and we are putting the value of x equal to 15 in double derivative to find the value of maximum or minimum. We find the maximum value, so we are putting x equal to 15 in the double derivative. Minus 4, 60 minus 15, x equal to 15, 60 minus 15 raised to power 2, 60 minus 15, that is equal to 45 raised to power 2 and minus 4, and 15 4s are 60, minus 60 plus 60, that will be 0, and 0 multiplied by something, that will be 0. So double derivative we get minus 4 into, that will be negative, so it's a point of maxima, and the maximum value we get required number is equal to x equal to 15, put in y, put in this, we get the value of y, 60 minus 15, that is equal to 45. So required number equal to 15, 45 answer. Thank you so much.